If you are planning to buy a lightweight travel drone anytime soon, you need to freeze your credit card and wait. The entire drone industry is about to witness its biggest generational shift yet, and it is happening in a package that weighs under 249 grams. Industry blueprints and supply chain leaks have just exposed everything about the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. This isn't a minor iterative refresh or a simple software update. DJI is preparing to launch a flagship that completely eliminates the compromise between absolute portability and elite cinema-grade video quality. If you buy a drone today, you will regret it the moment this drops. For years, creators, travel vloggers, and Part 107 commercial pilots in the US and across premium international markets have accepted the sub-249-gram limit as a visual bottleneck. To stay exempt from strict registration laws and complex flight restrictions, you had to settle for smaller sensors and limited low-light capabilities. The Mini 6 Pro changes the rules of the game entirely. Supply chain data confirms that DJI has successfully engineered a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into this featherweight airframe. This is the exact sensor size that used to require a massive, heavy drone body. By using a stacked sensor architecture, the Mini 6 Pro processes visual data at lightning speeds, which effectively deletes rolling shutter distortion and ugly jello artifacts during high-speed maneuvers. But a larger sensor is only half of the story. The biggest hurdle for lightweight drones has always been managing exposure without carrying a pouch full of glass filters. In a stunning engineering feat, leaks confirm the Mini 6 Pro will feature a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f/1.8 down to f/11. Imagine flying over a bright coastline and transitioning seamlessly into a dark canopy without having to land, swap a physical neutral density filter, and launch again. You can control your depth of field and maintain a perfect double frame rate shutter speed purely through your remote controller. At f/1.8, the low-light performance will effortlessly outperform every previous lightweight drone in existence, capturing clean, noise-free nightscapes that used to require cinema rigs. The camera upgrades push this machine straight into professional broadcast territory. We are looking at true 6K video resolution at 60 frames per second. This gives editors immense flexibility to crop, stabilize, and reframe footage in post-production without losing a single pixel of crisp detail. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the drone delivers a buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second. Combined with full 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles, the dynamic range will capture subtle color gradations in bright highlights and deep shadows, ensuring your footage matches seamlessly with high-end mirrorless ground cameras. Safety and tracking are receiving an equally revolutionary overhaul. Previous Mini models relied heavily on optical sensors that struggled in challenging environments. The Mini 6 Pro introduces the brand new Nightscape LiDAR system. This omnidirectional obstacle sensing network uses infrared laser pulses to build a precise millimeter-accurate three-dimensional map of the surroundings. Because it uses LiDAR rather than relying purely on visible light, the obstacle avoidance works flawlessly in pitch-black darkness. You can execute complex autonomous tracking shots through dense woods or around urban architecture at midnight, confident that the drone can see and avoid every single branch and wire. This advanced spatial awareness powers an updated artificial intelligence subject tracking system. The drone doesn't just follow a target, it anticipates movement, recalculates flight paths around obstacles, and maintains cinematic framing even if the subject temporarily disappears behind a wall or a tree line. Whether you are tracking a fast-moving vehicle or filming a solo hiking trip, the automated camera movements look like they were executed by a seasoned Hollywood camera crew. Range and signal stability are getting a major boost through the implementation of the next-generation DJI 5 transmission system. Operating across multiple frequency bands, this system ensures a rock-solid 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second even in high-interference environments like downtown New York, London, or Tokyo. The system is designed to provide maximum signal penetration through concrete structures and dense foliage, drastically reducing the risk of signal drops or lag during critical shoots. Perhaps the most mind-boggling leak surrounds the power management. Typically, a larger sensor, LiDAR modules, and processing chips drain batteries at an accelerated rate. However, internal documentation reveals that DJI is introducing an advanced high-density solid-state battery chemistry for the Mini 6 Pro. This allows the drone to achieve an astonishing flight time of up to 60 minutes on a single charge while strictly maintaining its weight below the critical 249-gram threshold. A 1-hour flight window on a microdrone means you can capture multiple locations, wait for the perfect golden hour lighting, and execute complex time-lapse without constantly checking your battery percentage with anxiety. The sheer engineering efficiency of this design means you no longer have to choose between mobility and image quality. This launch is highly anticipated because it bridges the gap for creators who refuse to sacrifice creative control while staying highly mobile. For travel documentary filmmakers, this tool completely transforms how remote locations are captured on the fly. Production teams can deploy this microdrone in seconds without drawing unwanted attention, opening up filmmaking opportunities that were previously impossible with bulky professional setups. It is a massive step forward for the global creative community, allowing filmmakers to achieve elite production value under strict regulatory limits. This groundbreaking advancement ensures that your content remains future-proof, giving you a competitive edge in an increasingly crowded visual market. Investing in this technology means elevating your cinematic storytelling to heights never before achieved by a device of this size. The era of compromising quality for convenience is officially over. As we look at global availability, DJI is aligning this release to seamlessly navigate international regulations, ensuring pilots in North America, Europe, and Asia can utilize the drone right out of the box without dealing with bureaucratic red tape. The combination of unlimited flight freedom and professional-grade internal components makes this the ultimate production tool for modern independent creators. According to retail distribution leaks, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is expected to hit global shelves in the final quarter of this year. Pricing is rumored to sit slightly above the previous generation, reflecting the massive hardware leaps, with the standard package starting around $899, while the highly anticipated Fly More combo with the high-density batteries will hover around $1,100. When you look at the complete picture, it becomes clear that waiting for this release is the only logical move. The inclusion of a 1-inch stack sensor, mechanical variable aperture, 6K cinematic capabilities, and pitch-black LiDAR safety completely redefines what a portable drone can achieve. It marks the definitive end of carrying heavy gear bags and the beginning of uncompromised aerial filmmaking that fits right in your jacket pocket. Stay tuned to Tech Vibe as we track every single update leading up to the official launch. Make sure to subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments below on how this game-changing hardware will transform your creative workflow.